Have you ever looked around your house and felt completely overwhelmed by the mess? Yeah, same. It's so hard to get into motion when we are looking around at the whole entire mess. It almost feels like you're paralyzed. That is why I believe in small bursts of cleaning. When we think we have to clean the whole house at once, we often end up doing nothing at all. It feels too big, it feels too exhausting, too time consuming, but when we focus on just 5 minutes in one small space, it suddenly feels doable. Those little tiny bursts add up faster than you think. 5 minutes in a drawer, 5 minutes on the counter, 5 minutes clearing a pile of clutter, and before you know it, your house and your home starts to feel lighter and easier to manage. Cleaning doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to take all day. And sometimes the biggest progress comes from the smallest, most consistent steps. So if you're new here, welcome in. I'm Becca. I'm a mom to 5 kids. Life is continually busy. I've tried to find so much slowness in these busy seasons. I'm so happy you're here. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss my videos. I'm trying to put out more long form, trying to keep up with my shorts in the daily, but life is busy, as you guys know. Let me know in the comments what you are up to, and let's get into this video. All right, so we are doing a 5-minute reset, and I say 5 minutes because it shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes just to reset the space. This is a little extreme because we have been so busy, and laundry has been cleaned and it's just been thrown from my bed onto my dresser. It's made its way on the floor. I'm trying to get a better system, but it is just hard to find. So some of the stuff needs to be rewashed, and I'm going to put it in a trash bag. But first, I'm going to instantly have a win by making my bed. This is a prime example why I usually do not bring laundry into my bedroom. I have all intentions to sort and fold, but then nighttime rolls around and it is already time to hop in our bed, and these clothes have got to go somewhere. So into the basket, onto the ground, onto the dresser, they went. And what delayed decisions do is they just make a problem for later. And you'll see at the end of this video, since I'm only giving myself 5 minutes, I'm making another delayed decision by putting the clothes on my dresser into a trash bag so that I can do it later. And that is a delayed decision.
Don't ask the trees why they fall. They just let go when they hear the call. Summer fades into amber skies. No one argues, no one denies. The ocean doesn't fight the tide. It rolls and softens, slips aside. Every wave that breaks on shore makes room for something more.
Really, the front door is not shut too. I'm gonna pick up the trash. I'm gonna pick up the clothes.
But nothing here was built to stay. So hold with the waves when the waters rise. Ski with the snow under changing skies.
2.5 digits.
When it starts to go, life keeps moving. We learn as we go. Every season has something to show. The more that we live, the more that we know. And the more that we know, the more we're interested in this ever-changing road. Spring doesn't rush the bloom of a rose. Winter teaches what patience knows. Autumn whispers.
This was a delayed decision. They were all laid out on my bed. It's like socks and stuff like that. And I just haven't sorted it. So I'm putting it in a black trash bag because I don't have the energy to sort it right now.
That's how the next
And then it'll be out of the way.
we broke through what we
My brain.
can't control. Each
Whenever I get the energy,
reshapes the
I
soul.
will come back and do this next. But for now, Lisa's off my dresser, and it's not visual noise.
I have this.
And right here, I'm using my Moprobo 2 to vacuum / mop these floors, and it was in some serious need. This thing is so convenient. I want you guys to remember that not every day is as productive as the last. I hope you guys stay so motivated, so encouraged. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.